It's Fresh Cash Friday. Today I'm going to show you a trade. I think I made 2 or 3 trades, but I'm going to show you one trade that I know is solid in terms of the entry. I'm going to show you where exactly I'm entering, the overall plan, why I'm entering, the setup, the strategy, and talk you through from A to Z making money here in the market today. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and well, today we're going to be diving into the MES. I'm going to show you a trade, I feel like a really solid overall trade. And it's funny because right before I made this trade, I basically talked about why my entry could have been better on the previous trade, and then we made a really good entry on the second trade and locking down some profit today. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you want to learn more about trading futures, you want to learn more about trading in the stock market, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also let me know in the comments below, how did you do this week? What are you looking like? What's your profits? Let's get into it. Been trying to go live here on YouTube this morning and just can't figure it out. Something wrong with the encoder, so we're going to have to record this trade here. You can see I'm short right now on the MES. Looking for a break below the low of day here at the 105s. I think we could break below 4,100 total flat here. I'm currently short, you can see, from the 15s for this breakthrough right here. So we'll see if we can get down there for a nice $50 profit to start the trade off the day. Here we go. We are currently up $61 actually, down to the 102s now. 102.75 there. Nice little move so far. Like I said, looking for a break below 4,100 here on the MES. Currently trading on the IronBeam app. It's a cloud-based platform, really simple, really easy to set up and use. You can use it on tablet, Mac, PC, whatever you want. You can do it all. There we go. And taking profit there. You can see my trade as we did it here. The fills. Not bad for one little trade here. Looking for this to sell through the low here at the 80s now. Down there to 78, perfect. 77, 76, taking profit. Nice little, quick little scalperoonie there. You can see on that trade, I was kind of quick to get it, but ended up shorting there at the 80, 75, and then covering 4 handles lower. So $4 lower there at the 76, 75. Right now, down there to 76, touching there again. I kind of missed my I think my better entry up here. This was the better spot to enter when we broke kind of this trend. You can see this trend. See this trend right here? We get like a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we break through that higher low on this last candle, and then that's really when that selling pressure started. And look at that, from like the 86s now down there to 74. So, you know, this was definitely the better entry. I missed that move there. I was hoping we were going to get one more pushback up, and then finally got a little doji candle, and I was like, okay, this thing's going lower. Look at it now, down there to the 70s. Could have probably just held on for that one, but whatever. It's my United States or whatever. So the SPY now down there to 406.34. It's about 1.8% on the day so far. Look at that, down to 67s now. Oh, could have held on to that one. Could have held on. We covered at 76. Now it's down to 67. Still pushing up. You can see we got this trend going right now. Higher low, higher low, higher low. So our entry will be if we break below a candle's higher low. So if we break below, when this candle closes and then we break below there, that's what we're looking at for the best entry here. Candle pushing up. Got the SPY pushing up to trying to push to the 408. So I think push to 408, it'd be the perfect spot. So now this candle should kind of give us a pretty good entry if we're going to get this breakdown here. And we'll be able to see it where this candle closes at, and then the next one where it opens. So if we basically like break below this low here, we're getting short. Still pushing higher, so we keep waiting. Trend looking for a breakdown here. See if we get it. We haven't broken the low yet. There we go. We're getting short now. Tried to get, oh, there we go. We're short now. Looking for a break back to the lows down here. 72s. I can see a break below 70 here. We're in at 75 short. Should get this breakthrough here on the 70s. I'm going to cover there, kind of slowing down a little bit, not breaking through the 70s, but still locking in 5 handles. There it goes through 70s now, but still locking it in there, 5 handles. That's perfectly good trade all day long. Remember, we're trying to minimize risk to reward. So shorting there at the 75s, covering there at 71s. You can see right now kind of bouncing off that 70 area. So just being protective, especially after we've already sold off so much. We haven't had like a huge reversal back up. You know, a push back up to the actual VWAP here on the SPY. You can see the SPY VWAP up at the 409 area. So pretty good setup though. You can see the problem now though is how these legs are going to get shorter and shorter kind of as we get into a choppy area, or if we're running into support, we're going to get shorter legs to the downside, where this leg from here from 89 down to 70 or 68, nice little leg there, but then here you can see this leg's already kind of bouncing around, getting a little bit more choppy. So if we can't break below this low here of day, we'll probably chop around in here for a second and kind of continue this bear flag. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go back to bed for a little bit and then come back, see what's going on here later on today. And we'll see what kind of action we get. So I'm going to lock that profit in there. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Kind of bouncing around right now. So look, so like I said, look at that choppy chop here. So see what happens if we come back and the market's down below 400. Oh my gosh, it'll be a bloodbath. So the market trying to push back up off the 70s. Not that I want it to go higher, but I do like the fact that it's bouncing around here because I feel better about taking profit and it's not just selling right through there. All right, so I'm back from my slumber here, and well, the market's been bouncing around here, coming from the 4100s back to 4140 right now. You can see on the SPY pushing up there, trying to get to the 414 level, and well, you know, we're getting some action, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's Friday, it's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm not gonna push it today. You know, I feel like this always is what happens, right? Like I end up making money in the morning. And then at the end of the day, I'm like, well, I'm going to make one more trade. And then I end up losing a little bit of money. Before you know it, I'm down $100, $200, $300. And well, right now I'm up $251 on the day. Only trading 1 to 2 contracts. Like I said in the live streams, since I hit 2 maximum losses this week, I had 2 $500 red days this week. I'm focused now on, you know, sizing down and then getting back into the rhythm and making sure, you know, that I'm not sizing up trying to get back that loss, but just trying to, you know, maintain and protect my capital here. So that's exactly what I'm doing. The market's going to squeeze up here, probably go to the all-time highs, just go back to all-time highs today alone. So I'm going to take my profit and be happy with that. Right now, looking, you know, market kind of bounce around, not looking super clear direction-wise. So there it is, another day, another dollar, trading Fresh Cash Friday. Like I said, I wish I was live on YouTube with you guys, but for some reason, I got to restart my computer and get things going again because it would just not let me go live this morning. I tried trying to press the button, and there was no button to press. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys later on.
Yeah.